Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope everyone is doing great. In this video, I am going to share an important scholarship for students who are in the need of an financial assistance for pursuing their higher education. For more video like this, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for the future updates. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. FFE stands for Foundation for Excellence. This scholarship program aims to help the bright students who are financially weak and need help for paying their college fees in their higher education. In this video, I am going to tell the benefits of FFA scholarship along with the application process and eligibility criteria. Watch the entire video to get more beneficial in this program. The entire scholarship program aims to help the student across many ways. The students will get 40,000 rupees per year. If you are an engineering student, you will get a free laptop from FFE. Along with this, they provide a mentorship guidance for students to improve their soft skills and make them industry ready. The student must be studying any one of the professional courses like medicine, engineering, or law. Only first year students can apply for the scholarship. Both boys and girls can apply for the scholarship. Diploma students who are studying engineering are not eligible for the scholarship program. As shown in the table, the ranking of the students who are applying for the scholarship should be within the range for both CBSE and state board students. Finally, the annual income of the family should be less than 3 lakhs. Till now, we have seen the scholarship benefits and eligibility criteria. Now, let's see how we can apply for the scholarship. I will provide the link in the description. Kindly check out for more. Now, click on the Apply Fresh button. It will redirect to the things we have to consider before applying the scholarship. So, the eligibility criteria that I have mentioned before, and these are the list of mandatory documents that we have to submit during the application process. Before start applying, make sure that you have all these 10 documents in your hand. So the mandatory documents include student's 12th mark sheet along with the rank certificate for the corresponding entrance exam and student counseling letter issued by the college and family income certificate. And note that the family income should be less than 3 lakhs. Students e-Aadhaar or scanned a copy of your original Aadhaar, and the fees that are paid during the college admission process, that is tuition fees, hostel fees, and mess fees receipts, and first page of the bank passbook copy that includes students' account information such as their name, account number, and IFSC code, bona fide certificate, and fee structure that is issued by the college. Finally, the student has to submit parents or guardian declaration at the end of the document submissions. Now click on the apply now button. It will redirect to this page. Enter your full name, your mobile number and email ID and click on the apply button. After submitting the details, it will redirect to this page. In this, it is asked that you have already registered or you are a new applicant. So enter your same email and mobile number. If you have already registered, click on I, yes, I have registered. If you are new applicant, click on no, I will create a fresh. After this, you have to fill a lot of information. In this, first you have to fill your general information such as first name, last name, your gender, your email ID, your phone number, your WhatsApp number, your Aadhaar number, along with your date of birth. And you can choose your accommodation type such as day scholar, hostel resident, or PG. And basic eligibility criteria. In this, you have to choose your course and your branch of and year of studying, along with your college name and college roll number. If you have written any entrance exam, you can fill those details in this column. If you're participating in TNA counseling such, you can fill the rank accordingly. And you have to fill the student address, your home native address. In the family information section, you have to fill your father's name, mother's name, their occupation, their age, along with their education and mobile numbers. Note that your family income should be less than 3 lakhs for this scholarship. And how many members in the family include the count of the members and who are the person earning for the family. In the section about yourself and family, they will ask few questions like what is your ambition in life, tell about strength and weakness, and if you start earning, how could you help others. Based on the answers, they will analyze you. They understand your core vision in your life and some other details such as you are receiving any government scholarship or any scholarship than FFE, you can choose accordingly. And some login information, if you have Google login, Facebook login, or you're a member of Foundation for Excellence, click on yes or no, depends on the logins that you have. After filling all the details, you will click on the next button. It will move to the next page. In this, you have to upload the document that I have already mentioned. After reviewing the scholarship application, you can finally submit. After the online application process, the student get into verification process. In this, the student get a call from FFE and they verify the details of the student and the family status through a video call. After this, they verify the submitted documents, and finally, the selection is announced in the same website, and the student get a mail from FFE whether they are selected or not. So this is the entire process of FFA scholarship. Note that the last day for apply the scholarship is 31st December and 2024. Till now you are watching this video. Hope you like this video and share with your friends and family, and especially for those who just now completed the 12th standard. Hope everyone like this. Thanks for watching, and let's learn and grow together. Bye bye.